Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate Intercom in your website. First thing, go to Settings, then Messenger, then Install, then choose Install from Web. Select the installation method used on your website type like Code Snippet, React, Angular, Vue or Ember, or WordPress, Shopify, Google Tag Manager, or Segment, specific CMS for platform. Optionally, you can invite a developer to help. Now, use Code Snippet. Copy the provided code snippet, then paste it before the body tag on every page where you want the messenger to appear. Just save and upload your changes, then visit your website to check if the messenger appears. Now, install the npm package using this command, then import the package into your project. Add the Intercom component to your desired pages. Install the Intercom plugin from the WordPress plugin directory and activate the plugin, then enter workspace ID in the settings, then save changes. Now go to Messenger settings to change colors, themes and visibility settings. You can choose to hide the messenger before launching. Now click on Check Installation in the Intercom settings. Visit your website as a guest to ensure the messenger appears, and if it doesn't appear, check your code placement or review the console for errors. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.